Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up heart rate zones on Garmin Forerunner 70. Okay, on our watch we gotta hold the middle left button, hold it, then scroll down all the way until you find watch settings. In here keep scrolling down until you find the user profile. Click on that, keep scrolling down until you find heart rate zones and power zones. Simply tap on that. Above we have the heart rate. We can select our max heart rate, also the lactate, lactate threshold, heart rate. Same thing with zones. They can be based on the maximum heart rate or the LTHR or HRR, which is heart rate reserve. It's up to you which one you'll pick. You can select the maximum, the threshold in the percentage, the aerobic, easy, warm-up, or you can reset all zones. If you select everything, you can also sync with your phone, and thanks to that everything also will be copied to your Garmin Connect app. To do it, hold the middle up button, select sync, it's this icon, and then click on start. After syncing, you'll see all informations in your Garmin Connect app also. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.